That's Raggedy Ann. Yeah? You got her? What you gonna do with the Raggedy Ann? I'll send Raggedy Ann in the bus. She's like, what? It's WrestleMania 57, and in one corner we got a Montysaurus, and the other corner Raggedy Ann. Yeah, a Montysaurus, also known as AKA Eat-a-saurus, and she takes Raggedy Ann. Oh, you almost caught your mom there. And she goes back over there. And here, Monty, with the ball, honey, you want the ball? There's Jeremiah, busy bee Jeremiah. Jeremiah the busy bee. Whoop. Gotcha. Come on, throw it back. Throw me the ball. Come on. Oh, can I have the ball? Oh, and around the back, she says, ah, psych. She does a psych throw. Amani, where you going, girl? And Amani's going up the stairs because Amani likes to live dangerously. And there she goes. Amani, you living life dangerously, honey?
Hi.
And Lonnie's.
She's like, she does it so fast.
It's so dark in here. Let's shed some light on the situation. And there she goes to her brother's room. And she picks up a blankie. And we're going inside Jeremiah's room now. Up on the bed she goes, because she can get on the bed. Oh! Almost fell. There she goes. Extension. Amani extension. Right there. Yes, yes, yes. Amani likes books. You know what she likes to do with books? She likes to rip them. Huh, honey? No, no, no. You can't have this. And you can't have this one either. This is your brother's homework. Walking on the bed. Living. No, 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 no. No, honey. You're going to hurt yourself. And Amani's persistence. No, no. Amani, what you doing, honey? What you doing, huh? What you doing, Amani? Woo! Yeah. Yeah. Whoop. Oh, what you doing? Where you going?
What happened to your chair, Jeremiah?
Yeah, honey, what you doing? Oh, mine's gonna take us a tour through the rooms. Well, watch your step, honey. Come on, honey. What you doing? Oh, oh, mine took a header. Wow, you're pretty good at that one, honey. You got up. Come on, honey. You okay? No, he knows exactly where she's going. Where you going, honey? Oh, no, honey. No, 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 no. Amani, no, 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 no. Come here, honey. Whoop. Come on, honey. Let's go. Here we go again.